Well, here we are, folks. Bonfire night. And yeah, here by kind invitation of a friend of mine. And I'm bloody glad I came. Yay. Awesome. All smoke and a load of hot air. Brilliant. Yay! Yay! Brilliant. Well, this is a proper community bonfire, folks. It is November the 5th and yeah, from a tiny boy up to present age, part of my heart sings when it's November the 5th. A few fireworks, a big bonfire, and loads of lovely folks. What could be better than that? Right, so it's a real privilege to be able to be here tonight, folks. So from me, November the 5th, folks, happy bonfire night. We got some sparklers over there. And this is exactly what it should be, folks. This is how it was during my childhood, and I'm afraid it's a part of our society that might be lost. I hope it isn't. I hope it lives forever, folks, and plenty more middle-aged men looking back at their youth. We got sparklers there, so, and well, of course, and the girls, because the girls love it too. Wow, what a fire, folks. That is awesome. Loving this bonfire. That's brilliant. Kids with sparklers. So many people here, folks. It's ridiculous. It's great. It's brilliant. All gathered around the fire. Awesome. I don't know, it looks like we've got some more fireworks in the making there, folks, so we'll stand by for them. Woo! Awesome, love fireworks. Oh, something's fizzling. I'm going to aim up this time. Something's fizzling below. Yes, we got it. Brilliant. Hello, mate. Alright, so I was being deafened by fireworks, mate. Hey, I'm just down from that truck. I'm sort of like about 20 feet from the fire. Yeah. Oh, okay, I'll be right there now, mate. Okay. Right on. Cheers. Bye. Great. So, good, folks. So, happy Guy Fawkes night. Where we missed it. Oh wow, awesome. It's not the only one. Well done. Yeah, that's good. We've got some more. Oh, something interesting's just come out the box.
Imagine if you could handle fire, so you could hold fire.
Something interesting's just come out the
Before
box.
you got here, they lit one, and it was one of these ones that very small.
Yeah.
And fires up. Those automated ones.
Yeah, I know.
Charlie, you want to go see Jack?
Yeah, you know it's going to be a good firework when it requires that it's buried in sand first. Oh, something's smouldering. Hey! Yeah. Multi-shot barrage. Awesome. Well, everywhere on the horizon there's flashes and bangs and pops and yeah, great.